access fine, but it is not changed. If you look at, I'm trying to run again the same command, this time it will try to connect again, but if you look at here, it is green color symbol. That is nothing but changed is false. Yes, it is connected successfully, but it doesn't change anything. Why? Because in my destination already the file is exist. Any configuration management tool, if it is the file, your desired resource is already in a desired state. If your resource in a desired state, it will not change anything. That concept we call as idempotency, right? Did we discuss idempotency in Chef, guys? Can I have a response? Did we discuss idempotency? Yes. So what is mean by idempotency now? If your resource is already in a desired state, okay, configuration management tool does not change anything. Let us do one thing. Let us say vi/tmp. I'm trying to change my source file /tmp/test file. Okay, this is to test Ansible copy something. Okay, now again run the command. This time it will change or not? Ideally it should change, right? Why? Because I updated something. See that it has changed. Now go to that particular server, and where it is we copied in a temp ls-lrt. See that test file target. Open that file, test target file. Okay, this is to test Ansible copy. Copied, right? Any doubts in this now? So we have seen two ways, whether if you don't have an SSH key copy to, okay, you don't have an option to copy into n number of servers, then you can use -k option to with a password. In a cloud or wherever nowadays, the passwords are not encouraging, right, people? Why? Because there may be a chance of compromising the password. So they are using a PEM files. The PEM files also I've shown you how to generate a PEM file and how to copy that. Okay, so we'll take a 5 minutes break here. Now it is something to 20. I mean 8:15, right? 8:16. We'll meet again exact 5 minutes something. Okay, 8:22 kind of thing. Okay. So take a 5 minutes break and come back. Thank you. Hi guys, shall we continue? Shall we continue? Okay, so we copied it, but use of SSH copy. No, I want to copy some content. Amit, I want to copy some content in my configuration file. Use copy. Right? You have some content in your GitHub. I want to copy that content from my source to destination. Use copy module. You want to copy some file into n number of machines, you can use copy. Okay. Suppose let us say latest var file you want to download and you want to put it into some location. Yes, you can copy. Right? Is that clear, Amit? Now, before overwriting it, right? Before overwriting, to bypass. No, Amit. What I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to copy some file in n number of servers in a single go. It is located into my local server temp test file that I'm copying over here. Okay. Mode is nothing but permissions. 700 is nothing but permissions. If you look at here, what is this 700? Read, write, execute for user, rest of all zero. Let us say here, I'll try to say something like instead of 700, I could say something like 755. Right? So now try to look at what the permission will get over there. See that what is the permissions you got? Previously what you had? Previously you had only 700. Now you got 755 permissions because it is executed and changed. Before overwriting, I want to have a backup. Before overwriting, I want to have a backup. So how can I get a backup? You see that. Just go through that. Okay, understanding of that particular Ansible doc copy. So it will tell you how to take a backup. So if you look at here, I could say something like, where it is, you can say backup equals to yes, that's it, right? I could say something like backup equals to yes. So before going to that, I try to edit my temp file again. Okay, I say something like updated file, right? So before overwriting, I want to take a backup of that. I could say something like mode equals to 755, backup equals to yes. These are all, oh, come on, something went wrong. Just a minute. Right? Here I could say something like backup equals to yes. So before overwriting, before copying the file, test file, it will try to take a backup of that, then it will copy. Let us see now. See that? Now you go here and try to run ls-lrt. See that it is an actual file. Look at the content. Updated file, right? This is the backup file, right? This is the backup file. This is the backup file. Before overriding this, it has taken a backup file and then it is copied the latest file. Clear? Can we leave the backup file? Amit, I hope you missed the class session or what, I don't know. So it will not ask a password because what I did, I copied my SSH key file, right? This is the way I told you, right? Okay, this is the way I try to copy my SSH keys, SSH-copy ID into ANS test, right? Into ANS test, this particular server. So because I copied my SSH key, it is not asking the password and again. Why? Because it has a public key over. Clear? I hope you missed that topic at that time. No problem. So this is the way we can use different ad hoc. These are all ad hoc commands. Right? These are all ad hoc commands. If I want to get on a uname-a, what is uname-a? You'll get on a shell command. Shell is also command and shell are both are same almost. So if you look at here, I'm trying to say something like shell command. Uh, okay, let us say instead of copy command, I'll try to say something like shell command. Shell command basically helps you to execute any script kind of thing. Whereas command, it will try to execute only command. If you look at shell -a, let us say uname -r. Uname -r will give you the kernel version on that particular server. Okay, so it will go to the connect to all the servers and get that particular, okay, the version of that particular one. See that it is saying that, okay, but I don't want to execute on the two servers. I want to limit to this only 12 server. What I could to say? What I could say -l, which server I want to limit? This server. Right, I want to limit to one particular server.